The last feature that I'm going to cover is add-ons. Add-ons are extensions provided with Google Docs. These help in adding new features to Google Documents. So in order to know about add-ons, we should click on the menu Add-ons. It gives us an option of Get Add-ons. So when I click on Get Add-ons, it will give me the list of all the add-ons that are available with Google Documents. In fact, add-ons are external applications which can be integrated with Google Docs. So when I click on Google add-ons, I get the list of all the add-ons that are available, like the chart diagrams, math type for writing mathematical equations, and so on. I can scroll this list to see the list of add-ons that are available. The add-on that I'll be covering in this video is Mail Merge. So in order to get Mail Merge, I type Mail Merge over here and I click on it. In order to install Mail Merge, you need to select it and then click on the Install button. It asks for your permission in order to start the installation. So you need to click on the Continue button. Select the account on which it is to be activated. And click on the Allow button to allow all the permissions. When this is done, it prompts you saying that the Mail Merge has been installed. So click on the Done button and you can see that the Mail Merge is already there. In fact, since I already used Mail Merge, it was appearing in my menu. Mail Merge is very helpful when you wish to send common text to multiple people at the same time. So instead of typing individual text to different people and mailing them, Mail Merge allows you to write a common text, take printout and personally mail them or send emails to them also. So let's start it. Click on Add-ons menu, click on Mail Merge and select Start. When you select Start, a panel appears on the right hand side that will guide you through how the Mail Merge is to be performed. As you can see, a simple text has appeared in the Google document, which I'll be using for demonstrating Mail Merge. On the right hand side, we can see that the dialog box is prompting me to open a spreadsheet. In order to use Mail Merge, we need to merge the text that we have typed with the data of the users to whom the information is to be mailed or the letters have to be created. So we need to create a Google Sheet with the information of the people to whom the information will be mailed or the letters will be generated. Since I'm doing the Mail Merge for the first time, I'll click on Create Sheet. It automatically starts creating a sample sheet. And as you can see over here, it has columns that can be used for merging. I can remove the columns or add the columns as per my requirement. In order to demonstrate, I am removing these columns which are not required. Email I am retaining because I'll be demonstrating how emails can be sent to multiple people at the same time. Always remember that if you're creating a sheet for Mail Merge, the first row should be a header row containing the title of the fields the information is being entered. I have changed the data as well. and enter the data of two persons to whom I wish to send the merged document. This is the merging template automatically created by MailMerge. But if you have some data that is typed on some other Excel sheet, you may use that Excel sheet as well. Now I'll move to the main document. Here I have to select the sheet of the Excel worksheet that I wish to include. So it is only having one sheet. I need to refresh as I had removed certain columns and I have changed some data as well. So when I click on the refresh button, it will incorporate all the changes and show me the new merge fields and the new data. Once the refreshing is done, when I click on the merge field, I can see that there are only 3 names coming. The first name, the last name and the email. These are the name of the columns that I created in the Excel sheet to be used for merging. I can use these merge fields in the text that I've written on the main document. So I remove the previous fields that were specified and I add first name and the last name. I give a space over here. I select last name and I add it over here. Once this is done, if I wish I can change the text that is written over here, but for demonstration purpose I am not changing it. Once this is done, I scroll down to see the email settings. Since I'm sending the emails to different persons, I'll have to change these. Now email 2 is asking. Now email 2 is asking for the name of the merge field, which is email in my case. Email subject. The subject you can type anything. So I'm typing, I have typed test mail only. Here it gives me an option. What should be the display name? So let it be the same. And the last thing that it asks is whether you wish to include the doc file as a PDF attachment or not. So I wish to attach it as a PDF attachment. So I've selected this checkbox. The last thing that I can do is I can write an email body. So I click on this. By default, it shows me the email body that is written in the main document, but I have changed it for the demonstration purpose. I can insert any of the merge fields. So I've inserted the first name and written book release invitation. Once this is done, I click on save email body to save the text that I've written. After doing so, all the settings are complete and now I can start the merging. If I'm not sure whether I've done everything correctly, I can first select test email and click on merge to send one test email to one of the email IDs that I specify. So I click on merge and I specify the address where I wish to send the email address, test mail, and click on OK. It will send the test mail as the message is conveying the email has been sent, and now I can check my mailbox. So when I do so, I can see that there is a test mail in my inbox. Once I have confirmed that everything is correct, I can now go ahead to send the final mail to the recipients that have been specified in the merging template. So I click on emails and then I click on merge. When I click on merge, it will show me that it is sending mails to two persons and confirm whether I wish to continue or not. I click on yes. It will say it takes some time depending upon the number of persons to whom the emails are being sent. In my case, it is only 2. It is now showing successfully merged 2 rows. So now I'll close it and check the mailbox of the 2 persons whom I've sent the test mail. So as you can see that the test mail has been sent, has been received over here, and this is the other inbox I sent the test mail. The test mail has been received over here as well. The mail merge can also be done with letters where you wish to send a common letter to multiple recipients. In that case, you need to click on letters and then click on merge.